Yeah, I blame that on who was I going to blame that? I got red screen of death now. Really weird. After that, Raiden, how you going, mate? Welcome to the chat. I'm just going to try a different pup because I'm getting red screen now after doing a blind install, which is really weird. I just had a customer ring, so I'm just around the corner. So I was seeing the sec, so I put my smoke out and everything. Come inside and he hasn't even turned up yet. Ah! If I do too much more of this, I need to sort this other switch out and this battery bank if I can and come back to this. But yes, got the red screen of death at the moment, which is sucks. Ugh. Yeah, PC froze up. Yeah, like I was, my mouse and everything was gone, and yeah. Yeah, mate, how you going?
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Probably what it's worth, isn't it?
yeah, I mean, yeah, you can probably buy one. Illogical, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I need to do some customer work. Right now I've got two switches there and a power bank that I need to work out how the fuck I'm going to open it and see if I can replace his his USB port on it. But so this thing, I'm installing 999 on it right now, but I installed 355 in safe mode and red screen of death. So that's cool, logical. This is what you this is what you got to do, isn't it? Just got to start. Only way to learn. This should be finished. It's saying it's flashing. The LED's flashing. Should be done. Normally it shuts down after that though. It's turned off. On factory service mode. Let's see if we still get the red screen there. booting with no image. Oh, there we go. Still got red screen. Fuck. So that's due to some VRTM fucking thing in the NOR. Could be just a bad NOR chip. I need to write another NOR chip with that same flash that I did before. I just go through the process again. You take it out of factory service mode. So I'll put this aside. We'll do these switches. And we'll come back to this. I need to go and find the sequence of events from E3 patching, because I'm sure I have to run a specific pup through it after patching it. I can't remember. That's what's ringing a bell to me right now. And I didn't do that, or I haven't done that. I'm not 100% sure what's going on. Probably a red screen of death. Alright, so there is a pup you can run, which is a red screen of death fix, which I've got somewhere. I could try and run that through. Actually, we'll do that quickly, hang on. We'll do that quickly in blind install. These switches. I do have the red screen of death fucking pup somewhere. It's been years since I worked with NORs. Alright, so we're in factory service mode. That was... Oh, what was that? 488 EvilNet. I think I need to find the... Oh, I've got it. I've done it many times. I don't know where it is though, that's the problem. It's been that long. Red screen of death. It'll be in my PS3 folder somewhere. Hey Lulus. Oh, what are you doing, pretty girl? There's one left for you and two left for me, alright? And then it's all gone. There you go. All gone. I don't know. It's been years since I actually even touched this, so it might be in here. It's a red screen of death. I don't know where it is. I could search for RSOD. There we go. Found it. MFW 4735 rebug RSOD bypass pup 4.75 pup. Alright. Let's go to file location. Copy that. Put that on the USB on the root because we're in factory service mode. So I just ran whatever through it. This one, I'm going to delete it. Paste this one and run it and see if it gets rid of it. PS5's donor logic, well no, they're thin boards and no big proper ground planes running around them. Come off much easier than most. Alright, let's try the red screen of death pup fix. Let's see what happens. So we're in factory service mode. Oh, you still got to remind me, McKenna, when I'm finished with this, to change the level 2 fucking name, because when you're in factory service mode, it looks for a level 2 pup, LD diag, whatever it is, and then it uses whatever diag file you've got on it. It uses whatever you've got on the stick. So if I leave it named, it'll just fucking do a blind install, and it can fuck you up. Especially if you're on something over 355, you're like, oh, fuck. Generally, you don't go into factory service mode though without being on 3.55 because you actually get locked out and you can't get back to standard mode. But anyway, I'll let that run and then take it out of factory service mode. Anyway, so I've got, this isn't powering on. This just needs a game cart reader. I need to order some more game cart readers. This is the same customer. I need to work out how to actually physically open this. So I can see if I've got a USB port that I can swap out for him on this. Are these worth money or not? Because if they're not, it's the same as doing HDMI port, $165, mate. Are these worth anything? A-Logic battery bank. I could say, mate, it's cheaper if you'd buy another one if they're only $100, you know? And pay me to fix it. I should have asked that. I didn't even think of it. I should have asked that when he was here. How much is that worth? Because maybe cheaper just to buy another one. The battery bank and the USB ports broken in it, but I'm now wondering what the actual bank's worth. As whether it's worth repairing or not. And then if it's worth a fortune, or not a fortune, if it's worth a few $100s, then it's worth me repairing, but I don't know how to open the fucker. Oh, so a couple $100 Australian, okay. Means if I'm going to fix it, I got to charge him like $110 or something. Like, can't do the 165. Oh. But I need to work out how to open the fudger. It should still be installing. The light's not flashing. Yeah. Anyway, if I want the money, I'll just do it at the right price, I guess, wouldn't I? But I'm not desperate for money. Anyway, we'll see if we can work out how to open the fucker. Okay, so that just shut down. I don't need to take it out of factory service mode. I need to take this out because it's got the LV2. This should hopefully boot safe mode, or it's going to go red screen still. If it goes red screen, I'll have to replace the NOR. Grab another NOR and rewrite it and start from scratch, kind of thing. It's gonna go fucking. No image. What did I just put in through it? What pop did I just put through that? It's not displaying anything. And it's still, oh, there we go. Oh, fuck, stop brew. Fuck it. So I put the red screen of death pop fucking through it. There you go. Still in factory service mode there. Nice. That's how you fix the red screen of death. But you should actually swap out the NOR. I will update it to the latest and try and downgrade it and see if it red screens again. If it doesn't, it should be alright.
Foxtip Pro.
I'm going to go back and finish that cigarette since that customer called me while I was out there having it, and he's like, I'll be there in like 2 seconds. So I put my smoke out, ran back inside, thinking I don't want to stink like Durry. I need to order some more of these. Put that on the front bench to remind me to order more. That's my last one. Lucy Goose, you ate it all with me, little chickie. There's none left. You ate it all with me. There's none left, you dag. Hey? She's sitting there like, come on, Dad, can I have some more? No, no. The red screen of death's got nothing to do with the LV1 header. No, it's a corruption in the VTRM or something on the NOR, and generally it means that the actual NOR chip's bad, and you should replace it. So I should dump that now it's working. After taking it out of factory service mode, dump it and write it to another chip and put on the board. It's like a bad IC. But years ago when I was doing it, I never replaced the IC. I always just did the fix like I just did then and never had any issues, so I don't know. So I need to put it back on official firmware and then try and downgrade it or update it or whatever and see if it claps out, kind of thing, before I go too much further with it. I saw one of those white Frankies last night. Haven't come and pick it up yet, which is interesting. Cool. All right. I can see bent pins in that one. I knew it was Fubard. I'm going to order some of them tonight while I'm in bed doing my orders and shit. To fix the red screen of death though, like we just had, you can't just run that pup through the console. You have to patch the NAND, nor do exactly what I just did to just fix it before the red screen death. You have to patch it and shit before you can even run that pup to even get around the VTRM issue. And because I already patched it, that's why I was just able to run the red screen of death pup. If that was a stock console with that, I'd have to pull the NOR off it and fucking patch it and then run that patched pup and stuff to actually get it to boot. I haven't seen a red screen of death console. I mean, let's say the last time I did a red screen of death, I can't even remember. It would have been 13, 15 years ago since I've dealt with them. And that's when it only happens in NOR consoles, not NANs. You have to crack out the E3 flasher and do the shizzle dizzle and fox it brew. I feel it's probably just some kind of corruption from the patch and me running the wrong pup through it. I don't know. Generally, that happen. The red screen happens just out of the blue, though, on a stock console kind of thing. So I don't know. Anyway, I think for the safety of it, I will swap out the lysine, the NOR. All right, so this is the same customer, this battery bank. So I need to work out how to open the fucker. All right, so that's fixed. How do I open this up? There's two rubber pads here. I can't feel any holes under it, like there'd be a screw under it. There's two black ends, look like they're going to have to come out somehow. Other than that, it's an aluminum tube. But I'm wondering if there's a screw under. Is there a screw under these where it's holding the ends in? I can't feel it. Not saying it's not there then, though. But how to open it up? Anyone? I'm going to finish my smoke while you deliberate how to open that fucker up. Because I got no goddamn idea. All right, Luce, you can come out with me. Don't tell Buddy. Right? Buddy's a pain in the ass to get back inside. Lucy. Lucy, come on. I won't let you out with me. Come on, Luce. I'm going to change my mic too. Let's get this about the F-flat. Good girl. Anyway, I'll come back to this. I'll get rid of this PS3 for now. Turn it off. I'm going to have to pull those feet off and see if there is a screw for sure. I don't want to put the E3 flasher away yet because I might need it again. Although I've got to resolder my positive. It's broken. I'll fix that up. just going to pull one off and see if there's a screw under it. It makes sense for a screw to be at each end here under each foot, because there's a foot at this end as well. And there's not. Okay, so those ends just pry out somehow. Fuck. Really? I've got to pry the end out somehow. Yep. Without making it look fucking pried. So there's no screws under these, but there's a black end on each. It's probably glued, stuck on. Oh, maybe I should just heat it and try and. But he's broken his USB port. So I'll have to open it and see if I've got one that will suit. I probably don't, but anyway. I'm just going to throw some heat on it and see if I can pry it up. Yeah. They have to come off. It's the only way to get into the system, so. They're clipped in somewhere. I've got no idea how to get this fucking thing apart. Other than these ends have to come out of it. And they don't want to budge. Could be clips somewhere. Oh, serious? I've got no idea. It's a battery bank. Logical. Oh, that's the USB port floating around. I wouldn't think I'd have to take the LC like this out. Surely not. Take this out to get to some screws to pull this out or something. Fuck, I got no idea. That's. Oh, yeah, I was just thinking that, mechanic. Yeah. Sorry, just saw your comment. Yeah, I'm wondering if. But then that wouldn't allow for this end. So this end's got to come out. There's nothing holding this end in, unless that's the end I just lifted. This is a screw under this end. No. So there's no screws in these two rubber pads. Oh, this is rubber. Oh, the bottom. This end's rubber. That end's plastic. Hey. Okay. Okay. So it all probably comes at this bottom end if you get this rubber off. That makes sense now. Nope. Are you serious? There's nothing under that. What the fudge? Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's stuck. All right, so that's stuck down. Okay, here we go. Got somewhere, somewhat. Hang on. Nearly had it then. Can't see any screws there.
Experience amazing. The Lexus end of financial year demonstrator event. Now on at your preferred Lexus dealership. Offers vary between participating Lexus dealers.
Oh. Okay, so that's just stuck on. The other end's solid plastic. There's no screws here. These might be clips. No. Yeah, there is illogical, yeah. You don't need to ever replace it unless it's really dry and fucked, but yeah. So these look like some kind of clip. They really do. There's nothing under these four corners. So these are definitely clipped, but oh, do they slide to the middle? Do I slide this plastic piece in this way? It moves it away from the clip. No, it doesn't want to budge. There's movement there now though. I'm guessing this comes out the bottom end here now in one piece, but it doesn't want to come out easily. Like it moves, definitely moves. And these two plastic pieces definitely are clipped under these lugs. Oh, hang on. So what's under? Actually, so hang on. What's under these? I have to unclip this end to get it to slide. I've got a funny feeling you've got to slide these two black bits over those clips, or out from those clips. Fuck, siliconed and Jesus, this must be like weatherproof or something. Okay, yeah. So it needs to slide, as far as I can tell. Looking at it. Oh man, this is like silicon like crazy. As far as I can tell, this whole plastic piece flips that way, away. This is why there's gaps here, and the silicon's probably holding it, not allowing me to actually slide it. That'll be what it is. Fuck, I can't get this up high enough. So this needs to go that way. These two clips come off. These two whole plastic panels go towards the center, which is this gap here, which allows it to move enough to get this past there. Now they've silicon. These are actually siliconed with like some crazy ass fucking silicon in each corner. There's more, preventing you from sliding it. There's like all this fucking silicon in there. What if I just heat it and see if I can slide it? But this is definitely gonna slide away. Get them to slide and it should come out. Now, so the silicon in here has a gap big enough here to slide this out of the way. So this whole plastic piece would go that way and this whole plastic piece would go that way. You take them off, I'm guessing, and you should be able to pull it out. That's my best guesstimate. Oh, both the boys have a Friday night game this week. Oh, shit. Anything on P? It's the only look. It's the only thing that makes any sense. Most definitely. I need to get the silicon out of these 2 points or these 4 points, which this one's nearly gone, but get the silicon out of here, which allows me then to move this whole plastic piece that way. See that? See the plastic pieces? There we go. Look. Just need to do that on both sides. It's that silicon's fucking. There we go. Aha! Aha! Motherfucker! Motherfucker! We got one side. I think once these are out, this will probably just fall out, maybe. It's obviously a weatherproof device. Now I can tell it slides. Well, just like I just did, I can tell it slides. So you put that in and slide it back this way, push it that way to get it out. It's the silicon in these 2 spots holding it, kind of thing. I need to go pee, make a drink, and come back and. I don't know if he's lucky, it'll be the same as a PS5 HDMI port or something. I don't know. USB port. I'm going to charge this mic. I'll be shining like I'm born to be. I'm going to try and pick out this fucking silicon, at least, or loosen it or something. Man, this silicon's like crazy silicon. Seriously. It's like fucking like crazy. It does like the silicon, but it's almost set like rock. Wow. Beep. All right. There's the batteries. Oh, moved. Oh, comes out that. Oh, that makes sense. Oh no, do I have to take the screen out? Oh no, the power button just fucking fell in there somewhere. Oh shit. Oh, that'll stop me taking it out. Oh shit. Shit. So the button's fallen out of here. And I can't get it past there. Oh shit. There's the LCD. Oh, are you serious? Oh, are you serious? No. Don't know where the fucking button went. I can't get it past that point though. Ah, shit. I'm wondering if... Oh no, the button's just flipped over. Is it? Oh no. Button's... So the button that's turned over and fallen in or whatever, I think is stopping me. Oh, there it is. I think that's stopping me. So I need to get that back in a position and flip it over. See if I can slide it out. So I do that. Although it's very sticky. I can't get it into position. Ah, fuck. Serious. What the fuck? No, the top panel doesn't need to come off. It's so this power button, which has now moved from this position to this position, I'm guessing is stopping me getting past this point. You can't see it. I can see it on the screen, but it's stopping me getting past that point there. Like you can see the button underneath there, but it's moved off its... Oh, fuck, really? So the button's actually there, but it's moved to there. And I can't get it past. You can see the button sliding through here, and it's stopped. Yeah, the button's the button's actually getting caught on the top thing here by the looks of it. How the fuck am I gonna get that out? I can't hold it. It's I tried to stop this from moving where it is now and slide it. So I need to slide this back in where the button is there. Get it back on its actual position here. But I can't because these are in the way. And there's no fucking space whatsoever. Oh, are you for real? The only thing I'm going to do is pull it. The button will come. Yeah, there we go. So the only thing I'm going to do right now is fucking pull it. No choice. There you go, we got it. Whoop, whoop. Oh, it's a surface mount. Oh, I might be able to resolder it for him. Hey. 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 This USB's broken. Oh, it's pretty... I'm not going to have one of them to replace it anyway. It's surface mount underneath. It's bent and broken, so... I might be able to dodgy one in there. If I can find one off a console or something. Might be able to dodgy it in. Alright, anyway, so batteries are there. Let's take out screen, I guess. Or the PCB. Which has the USB on it. What's going on with the connection there? What's under that? Fucking, is that soldered or must be soldered? They got some silicone-y shit on it. And this connection here. Oh, Jesus. Serious? This shit's almost like fucking rock silicon as well. I don't know which is which though either. There's no red and black wires. They're both fucking black. Oh no! Oh! I just shorted them. They wouldn't like that. See the magic sparks? Still turn on? Oh no! Might have just fried it. Oh shit. I just bridged the 2 points. Now it doesn't turn on. Oops! I saw sparks on the connections here, but now it's not turning on. Oh, maybe it's actually, well, it's probably because I've got it plugged into the secondary board here. Probably, hang on. There's a board underneath it plugs into. Nope. Wow. Oh no. Uh-oh. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's not turning on there. Oh, I might not have all of them plugged in. Hang on. Oh, I think she's fried now. What would have got fried? Maybe I need to let it sit. Disconnect the batteries and... So which one's the charge port? In, out. Okay. So in, out. Okay. What the fudge? I wouldn't have expected to blow anything then. Like a component. Would have I? I wouldn't think so. But it's not turning on now. What it was before. Yeah, she seems... Oh, hang on, what the fuck's going on here? Hang on. Something's not right here. Oh, the USB port's in the way. It's not doing anything now though. But that won't go all the way down, which is interesting. Unless it's blown a fuse somewhere. It might have a fuse on the board. Okay, now that's pushed in properly. Oh, it's taken 15 volts. Okay, but I'm not getting anything on the LCD now, like it's dead. see if this charges my mic. Well, because it's battery charge, it should. Okay, so it's charging. That's probably just because it's got power left in it. Oh no! Yes, it could be. That's, I think I need to unsolder those two wires. Let it sit for a bit. So I was kind of thinking too. So let's desolder it. I just need to know which one's which though. So the one that I've squashed, not even squashed, no. So the one with outriding is on the outside. The one with writing's on the inside. Alright. So I crossed these 2 points with the tweezers and she went spark. I wonder if there's a fuse on it maybe as well. Oh, hang on, what's this switch for? Oh, it's not even on the outside. So what the fuck's that switch for? S1, what's this? It's not accessible from the outside of the unit. That. Oh, fucking. Surely it's got a fuse somewhere. Oh, replacing that would be if that HDMI is going to be a fucking nightmare anyway. No, I won't have a port to replace that with, but. I can't even hot air it back on, you know what I mean? Because the screen's there where it fuck on the screen that's probably already fucked anyway, but anyway. I could hit that with the iron, not a problem, but it's getting it work. Oh, so we can fix it with the iron. It's getting it fucking working against the problem now. And then those two, these should just bend over. These two clips. I can run the iron over the pins down here. But wasn't it working? Uh-oh. You think there'd be a fuse somewhere, wouldn't you? So I bridged these 2 points, the battery voltage went spark. Hmm. We'll find out in a minute, McKenna. By the time I plug it back in, hopefully it's come good. So I'd hit the button before and you'd see something on the screen. Now I see nothing on the screen. I should try and touch that up with a plug in it because that'll hold it in position. I need to get those tabs to bend back over. Like so. God, that's pretty piss weak setup, I must admit. We can only hope that it comes good. Shit. Jim Ross, welcome back, buddy. Oh. don't know how long it'll last him. If I do it for him and it goes, I won't charge him. I guess. I can't guarantee that'll last. Well, if it will, if you be gentle with it. But at this point in time, it looks like you've been a bit rough with it.
Unsurprising news, she has also just completed a $2 billion net worth. She becomes the first musician to have their net worth exceed $2 billion, primarily all thanks to the Eras tour. And then this was Charles Carlton, the life of Showgirl, and then now Toy Story, and then all of the 1,000 album variants that she has released.
Yeah. Right, that should be all hunky-dory. I suppose the thing's fucked now or not. That's the big question, isn't it? Did I blow something then? So I bridge these 2 points with the battery attached. They go through these, looks like these resistors here. And then where we don't know because we can't see anything, traces and whatnot. I didn't see anything go pop. All I saw was sparks between the, because on the tweezers, you know what I mean? Like, it's not as though something went, oh, no, no. And that was here. Oh, shit.
Thanks for the follow.
Oh, thank you for the follow. Must be like a 3 or 4 layer board or something. Anyway, we bridged these 2 from the battery and it shat itself. Oh, no. There's some flux and shit down there. This must be just... No idea's gone there. I definitely could have zapped something, but... Oh, fuck, how do you even... How do you... What the... They got a fucking flex connector under here. Right there. Oh, you'd have to... Hang on. You can see what's going on here. So how the fuck do you get to that? Pull this up. And the screen's got to roll that way for it to even... Yeah.
Oh, it's not a kiosk. That's the bar. When it was Cam's kiosk, I was thinking to myself, oh, a van on the side of the road.
Okay. So there's the screen. Oh, it's just silicon down to the top of the... Oh, wow. It's fucking dodgy as. Huh. Hot snot. They've hot snotted the fucking legs of the LCD to the board. Interesting. I'd expect a fuse to be somewhere, eh? Bat positive, bat negative. Oh. So that's these 2 connectors. Positive. Look at these stacked like fucking Lego blocks. Oh my god. You serious? That's crazy. Anyway, I'll go have a smoke and we'll let it sit. Hopefully when I come back. It comes good. Because other than that, I don't want to be fucking around with this for hours. Just tell him the bad news. Go, sorry mate, I tried my best, but something went wrong in the process. And the port will be fine now if he's, I guess, gentle with it. I've just resoldered it. Whether or not this thing's going to turn back on or not, though. Eek! Eek! Alright, I'm going for Derek. And yeah, I just zapped it, what, Rusty? Been silly. Well, we're hoping by me just letting that sit. Alright, go with Derry. Let that sit for another 5 minutes in there. It's hang on, I'm busting. I don't feel it would have blown anything, but we'll have a look. Have another look. But, you never know. Fuck. It was a silly mistake, but anyway. Oh, shit happens. Life goes on. So what are you saying, Violet? Under the metal shield, directly under where the circular cutout is. You're talking under here? Guessing you are. Where are you talking about? Did you see something? That's what I'm getting at. Did you see something blown out?
Series called Worst Ex Ever. Oh, you've been right. This is the show, Worst Ex Ever.
So sparked these two connectors here. We can't see where they go from any traces, but you're saying you're seeing something here somewhere?
She then meets this guy. This guy has pretended to be a police officer, and that was his job. Turns out, you won't believe what actually happened. He's not a police officer. He actually is married. Has 2 kids. Then it goes wrong.
I should just wire it back up, shouldn't I? And just see if anything, if it's just reset itself, but there's these 2 resistors here on the back side of that. There's no traces on this, as far as I can see, on this side of the board coming off it. So I'm guessing they go through to these 2 resistors.
You know what? It's not the first time I've heard stories.
I'm guessing if positives here next, so I'm guessing these 2 connectors here, positive and negative, at a guess. Then if we look at the other board, that positive negative comes in from the batteries, and also from the batteries comes to this board. Interesting what that switch is. That's not accessible from the exterior of the power bank. S1 and nothing. I wonder what that fucking does, what it is. Like I don't see any obviously, I just go back and go repeat. I don't see any obviously blown components. That's inductors, coils. I should just see if there's a short between the 2, shouldn't I, at this point in time? There's no short on this board, then hopefully nothing's blown. Yeah, there's no short between positive and negative. What have you seen, Final Man? You spotted something while we're looking. What did you see? I've crossed bridged these 2 points from the batteries, and it went it sparked, and now I get nothing on the LCD, and I don't know if it's charging or not because we get nothing on the LCD. It's still charging a device because there's juice in the battery still. Let's just hook it back up, I guess, and just see what happens, yeah? See if it's reset itself. You never know. Could be lucky. So the one with the writing was on the inside, which should be this one. Yeah. Can I make a drink while the iron heats up and we'll... Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's any obviously blown out components, but yeah. Hopefully it just needs a reset. Oh. So the problem with the LCD screen is you can't even tell if it's turned on or taken charge or what the fuck it's doing, yeah. Unfortunately. Oh. These are steel wires, they're not even copper. They're not even taken solder. That's crazy. Huh. Terrible. Alright, so if I press the button, still get nothing on the screen. Oh, fudge. So what's blown out? It's not turned on. Ah, fuck. I don't want to waste time on it. I'll just give him the bad news. It was kind of useless to him anyway, but... So... Oh, I don't even get any voltage out of that. Oh. That's interesting. I get no voltage out of the battery now. Have I done something to the batteries? It needs charging. Should I put on charge for a bit? I'm not getting any voltage out of those batteries. If I unplug that, try again. Nothing. They should have voltage in them. So I'm getting it. Get no voltage out of the batteries whatsoever. Ah. Could I have upset the batteries somehow? So there's no voltage coming out of these batteries. Unless it's something to do with this bottom board which goes into here. Shall I just let it sit? How long would it take to reset? Shall I let it sit for an hour and... I'd expect voltage out of these two wires. I'm getting nothing. No voltage. 2230 millivolts. Like... So... And I've got... I see positive and negative here. The batteries are given nothing. Oh, there we go. 23 volts there. Which means I should be getting 23 volts out of those as well. Oh. What the fudge? Look at that. That just... What the fudge? That just kind of fell apart. I pulled them apart like so easily. The fuck? So I get 23 volts here, out of the batteries, but here, that just didn't seem to go anywhere. Honestly didn't. Huh. What the fuck? I just pulled that out. Oh, it's just a loop. Oh, okay, so it's... Oh, hang on. These are just looped between each other. This just turns around and comes back here. What the fuck? Okay, so I've blown something then. So I'm getting voltage here. But not... Oh, fuck. Really? I've blown something. The wires I'm playing with the temp sensor. Okay. So it says NTC3, NT something 3. So it's nothing to do with the screen and stuff then. So yeah, these just, they just put them there for shits and giggles. So, well, that's interesting. That means these can stay on here. There's... Oh yeah, NTC. Yeah, TC. Thermocouple of some description. NTC3. Oh, that's... Okay, gotcha. It sits up on the batteries. Okay, so I bridged that. And now it doesn't work. Temperature sensor. Okay. Oh, this is a really technical little fucking device. Fucking ICs here, there and everywhere. FETs and this and that. Ah. What I need to do is charge something with it and see if I can recharge it. And whether the LCD's just dropped out. Probably not, but... So I bridged the TC, the thermocouple. So that's the thermocouple. Not that we can see it, but it's obviously sensing temperature there somehow. So what the fuck then?
Maybe pizza made like
Life just got a lot more pizza at 7-Eleven. Now slicing at select stores.
The new Queensland government is delivering
Very intricate circuitry. It's got fuckloads going on in it, I must admit. So I kind of need to drain it and just see if it's... Is it just the LCD not working? Probably not. I think something else is fucking fried, but... Nothing looks fried. 24 volts. May not turn on with it missing. So, yeah, I get what you're saying there, Final Man, but I guess then what I see controls that. Like, it's two of the same ICs there. What's been balked? Very, very intricate. Oh, I can't believe that happened. I did that. What do you do? I'll put it aside till tomorrow. I'll look at it in the morning. So that's just, yeah, battery temperature. Yep, nailed it. Good call. Good shout. But what is that fucked? By bridging the... That's in, that was, if, so fuck, if that's the thermocouple ones, then what the fuck has it fried? You know what I mean? Like, what? Yeah, no, I put the switch back to where it was, yeah. Maybe I should try it with the switch the other way, though. That switch is, like I say, not accessible from the outside of the unit. I put it back where it was. It's just not... So it's like... So if I go to charge it with, say, 15 volts from the Nintendo charger... Oh, maybe I should just try 5 volt USB. I would expect... So it's taken 15... Let me try... It's taken 15 volts. Let's plug 5 in and see what happens. Like, it's not... The LCD is not working. It's not turning on. It came up on the screen. If you hit the power button, it would come up with the percentage left in the battery. Now nothing's coming up on the screen. So I don't know if it's charging or not. If the Nintendo charger at 15 volts is 15 volts, yeah, it's charging. The screen's not working as far as I can tell. 35 watts, 2.3 amps, 15 volts. I'll hold the power down for 30 seconds, right? So all I've done is bridge the thermocouple pads. That's interesting. We'll let it sit overnight and see what happens. So I'd leave the... Oh, the thermocouple's not going to bother it. Oh, hang on. So hang on. So should I disconnect the... Oh, it hasn't had a chance to reset yet. So I should disconnect the battery from the main board, the one below this. Yeah? So I should desolder these from the board. Oh, hang on. Nah, fuck. So what's this then? Is it a thermocouple too? There's two thermocouples. I need to disconnect the batteries from the main board is what I'm thinking. Is that another thermocouple? So I haven't disconnected any power to the board yet. I mean, so I'm guessing this is another TC because it doesn't go in. Yeah, so that's just another TC. Okay. So I need to remove these 2 points. They're tack welded by the looks of it. Very poorly, but they're tack welded. So I need to remove these 2 pads off this board and then let it settle. Let it sit. Yeah? So this, fuck, am I going to, like, these are, yeah, fuck. How am I going to just tear them off? Oh, are you serious? So how the fudge can I actually disconnect? So that's positive, and this is negative. How the hell can I disconnect the batteries? Without just cutting through here and here and then soldering it back later if it works. You know what I mean? But they're tack welded to the... Oh, I just need to get one off. I should just cut it, I guess. What have I got to lose now? Oh, because that's not coming off anytime soon. They're spot welded, yeah, yeah. I'm trying to, Shane, and it won't let me because they're tack welded, yeah. I mean, I'm happy to cut it. I can just fucking resolder it together, but need to remove one of them and let it sit and see what happens. Let it reset. Oh, there's a good tack welder. So I'm going to just have to solder them back together if it works. Not much I can do other than solder it. I don't have a welder, so... Oh, they're fucking on. They're on there like crazy. Well, that sucks. How can I drain the batteries? I'm just going to get nasty with it. Oh, it doesn't even want to fucking come get nasty. So I'm thinking I should just cut this. Disconnect the power. And I can put some copper braid across it. Solder copper braid back onto it. Cut that and solder some copper braid back onto it. I mean, this is like... I can't get that off the pad, so... I've got no option. Things aren't working, so... Are you serious? The fuck? No! That's right. Fudging hell. Just going to disconnect the 2. And so I'll just put some copper braid back over them. Right, so battery's disconnected. Right, so I should still get voltage out of the batteries. Yep, 24 volts. I still get 19 there. What the fuck? What? I've disconnected positive. Oh, have I? Yeah, I've disconnected positive from the board. Oh, there's two. There's this one and this. Oh, hang on. Oh, fuck, there's four of them. You serious? Oh, no way. So there's these two main ones from the battery. There's these two beside them at 8 volts. And then there's these two down these sides as well. 15 volts. Ah, well, that was a waste of time. I need to flatten the batteries. That's what I need to do. So I can hook that back up with some wick. Not worried about that. The batteries are putting out 24 volts. The two pads beside the batteries here are putting out 8 volts. And then the two pads here down further down the line are putting out 16 volts. Fudge. Wow.
You're so bubbly, Freya. I love that. I'm just excited. I think if I was a dog, I'd be a golden retriever. Yeah. I want to be a black cat so bad, but I'm not. Did you come out with this much bubbly energy your whole entire life? Bless you. I know. I'm excited to see my back. Sometimes people like.
Oh, so unless I disconnect all of them, I'm kind of up shit creek. Or from bridging the thermocouple. Like what though? So the top two batteries go here. And then there's like 6 batteries. Another 2 batteries go here. And the other 2 batteries go here. I definitely need to disconnect all 3 of them if anything's going to happen, you know. So I've got no option other than cut them. It's the best chance. So when you cut them, I can run some shit between these two and reconnect it. Fuck, you for real? Wow. I guess that's because it's got USB-C on it, as well as USB-A. Fudge. Try touching the back. Back of what? If I plug into it, it's still charging. I'm not concerned about that. So if I go, where'd that cable go? So if I use, where'd my cable go? How'd it be? Oh, there it is. Even without the top board plugged in, this USB-C here, the main batteries, well, one side of the battery, one of the 3 battery connections aren't plugged in. Okay. So if I hook, I think my only option right now without tearing shit out and cutting shit out like crazy is to try and drain it as quick as possible. And let it sit dead flat, kind of thing. So I'm going to reconnect this. What a schmozzle. I don't even want to reconnect this at this point in time because I think the battery. I think the only way this might have some life in it is to actually drain the batteries. But do all three battery systems supply the three different rails? So if I drain this battery, I'd have to use all three plugs. You know what I mean? And drain all three lots of two batteries, kind of thing. There's two here, and two here. I could just whack a resistor somewhere, couldn't I? Solder it on and let it sit or something. So that's reconnected, right? I'm going to put this back on. Try all three ports on charge. And make sure all three ports are working, and then I think the only option I got is try and drain it overnight to let it reset. And then I'm gonna have to cut all those fucking so USB-C on this bottom, plug that into here. Nothing. Okay, so the bottom board's not charging. Top board, nothing. I had it charging my mic before. I did. So, that's charging the microphone. But that was out of the USB-A, not the USB-Cs. Then the USB-A. Okay. What the fudge? So now... Oh, hang on, I might have hit the power button. No. That was charging before. Because my mic started to charge from it. Oh, so USB-C's working there. Bottom board USB-C is not working. Top board is. So there's one USB-C on the... So the top board's got the issue. So there's two USB-Cs and a USB-A. The USB-A and the top USB-C on the top board. The bottom one... Oh, it just fucking did. Oh, hang on, I have to turn it back on, hang on. Hit the power button. No, that just was charging. Oh, that was just charging. I had saw it fucking on the screen. Now it's not. Get rid of that. Wow. Okay. Now it's not. Okie dokie. It just did, I must admit. Wow, that was just actually charging. Oh. And it's taken... Oh, now it's not taking any volts because maybe the top board's not plugged in. Oh, I don't know. I think I need to drain all three rails somehow. And then come back to it in the morning when they're all drained. But I just actually had the bottom board's USB-C port actually charging the switch. Oh, come on, stop it. So I've got. Nope. Fuck me. So the top board's plugged in. I haven't hit the power button yet. It's going to plug it into the bottom board. Nothing. I'm going to hit. Oh, there you go. So the bottom. So with the top board plugged in, the bottom port is charging, and then stops. That's interesting. And now it's charging. Okay. So 93%. Battery like uncharging. It's not recognizing. So whatever I see is recognizing the PD or whatever the fuck ever it is isn't working. Although if I turn this, so then I turn the switch off, turn it back on, it's charging. Let's try the top port. It's not charging. Turn the switch off, turn the switch on, and it's charging. What the fuck? Is that like PD control or something? Now let's try that with the USB-A. What am I doing? Oh, that way. So USB-A, no charge. Turn it back on. No charge. Okay. I don't want to waste time on it, in all honesty, but I'm just giving the bad news again, mate. I tried my best. I accidentally bridged two. I'll tell him the truth. Accidentally bridged two parts. I said it does work. There's nothing on the screen though. Blah 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 blah. But what I'd like to do is drain it. Somehow drain it. So even if I use, it's only going to drain. There's obviously 3 power rails on this. Is my issue. Can I just solder a resistor across all 3 power rails and expect it to drain it? If I just whack 100 ohm resistor or something on all 3 rails. Cross here, and cross here. And what is... Hang on. That other tab down there. So we've got 15, 16 volts there, 8 volts there, and 24 volts there. What is that? 8 volts down there as well. Like there's there's power rails everywhere. How can I drain it? Resistors? I got some big ass resistors somewhere. I can't remember where they are. That I use for my bench supply. Fuck, I don't know where they've gone. Yeah, no idea where they've gone. I'd like to drain it overnight and then come back to it in the morning and check it out, kind of thing is what I'm getting at. This is all from bridging the thermocouple fucking sense lines, which I don't get. Because I thought it was actually a power rail and it sparked and...
on an excursion in the bush. The Early Childhood Regulatory Authority decided that early education toddler disappeared for around 20 minutes in late 2024 before being returned to the childcare group for a stranger. A new poll shows
It's going to hold this for 60 seconds and see what happens. Hello, Liz. How you doing, pretty girl? Hello. 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 What are you doing? Mum will be home soon. She's coming home early because she's sick. Yeah. Mum's coming home early. Yep. I'm just going to hold this. Oh, hello, Liz. Is that Mum? Oh, it's Brocky home from work, is it? Is that Brocky or Mum? It's Brocky. Yeah, I don't know. Weird one, eh? Well, it's my fault. If I hadn't bridged those 2 points, then fuck, I wouldn't be in this predicament, but I'm not denying that. But I can't disconnect the batteries entirely without fucking getting really crazy with it, kind of thing. Like, so all I can think of is draining it. Like, so I wonder if all 3 banks of batteries, so there's 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, and they're obviously all outputting different voltages, or the system, PWM, or whatever the fuck is outputting different voltages into 3 different spots. 1, 2, 3. If I leave something plugged in that's flat-ish, or, you know what I mean? If I leave, will it drain all 3 banks of batteries, is what I'm getting at. Will it drain all of them, or just fucking 2? Oh, the USB-A is not even working, as far as we can tell. And there's, oh, let's get the thermal camera out. There's something warm there. There is something actually warm there. I can feel it on my fingers. It's not exceptionally hot, but it's warm, and it feels like it's up this end of the unit somewhere up here. I can feel warmth. Oh yeah, oh fuck yeah, ouch, that's hot. Oh yeah, that's gonna white screen, yeah. I just, fuck, yeah. Oh, I think we might have just found the problem. I'm gonna have a smoke while this reboots. There's something really fucking burning my skin here. One of these little FETs or something, transistors. I don't have one, but, oh fuck yeah, that burnt my thumb like crazy. Gonna make a drink, have a smoke. And we'll have, so, fuck. Hope it's like one I can use off. And I've got lots of little transistors and shit, but there's definitely something getting really hot there. Yeah, look. It's burning my, it was burning my head, like burning me. The fuck's me? That little fella there. No idea what it is, what it does, but I'm guessing that is the faulty fucker. Because nothing's plugged to it right now. Nothing is plugged into this device. And that little fucker there is getting hot. This little fella. 33H. That is getting exceptionally hot. I should test the voltages around it while it's running. Schematics would, as you know, we can't get them much, but schematics would make life a lot fucking easier right now. They're short across there, pretty much. And no, not across there, but... So these two pins are short. So there's ground, that's short to ground, that's short to ground, and that's not. So this fucker here seems to be the issue. What is it? 33H. So I've blown that, obviously. Could be to do with this fucker behind it. Who knows? Oh, let's take it off quickly, I guess, and see if the short fucking goes. But it shouldn't be short between the two legs. Without none schematics, having the schematics, I wouldn't expect these two to be pretty much short. Oh, the monitor is not working. You just can't see it. Anyway, trust me. It's telling me it's short. Let's take it off and see if the short goes. And what's a 33H? Is it the same as something on a fucking Xbox? I've got lots of little Chinese and stuff. But is it the same or not? Who knows? Wonder if it'll work without it, is a better question. Oh, I can smell the hot glue. Oh. Just going to stick that there for now. So that, oh, not there, so I don't lose it. Oh, the camera's changed. I'm just going to move it to there. So SOT 3 20 volt 3 amp. That might not be it. I got no idea, McKenna. That's why I'm asking you. Anyway, with that burning up, so I'm just gonna. The worst thing about this is working on this because the batteries are still fucking hooked up. I'll just bridge that to there. So, are you serious? What the fucking fudgety fuck? They should have fucking plug-in connectors. Seriously should. So I won't have any. This isn't plugged in right now, but oh, so that wasn't plugged in. That's cool. All right. Thank God. Fuck. The bottom board's plugged into the batteries. The top board is not. Yeah, I'm going to plug it in, but if it's just a thermocouple thing and it works after this, then I'll just tell him, go, mate, I've fried your thermocouple sensor, fucking some line or whatever, or whatever that's going on, and still work. If it blows up, it blows up. Burns your house down. I have no idea. You didn't bring it to me. It never crossed my bench. Alright. So just for shits and giggles, I'm just going to plug into it and see what we get. So the bottom board is working. The bottom board, so this is the bottom USB-C. And it works, right? It's physically going, cool, I'm putting out charge. Yep. Top USB-C, probably not. Off. Oh, that's the issue. That little fucker. Oh, I need to find out what it is and get one. So now if I go to USB-A and it works, then the screen's not coming on though still, is it? Oh, I bet you it's LCD related. The screen's not coming on, the LCD, and USB-A is not working still. Okay. Both USB-Cs started working then. Ah. Hey, Babs. So USB-C. Bang, it's charging. That's the bottom board. Go to the top board. Turn the switch off. Plug it in. Okay, so both USB-C ports are now working. But the USB-A is not. So whether this has something to do with the USB-A port and was probably an issue, but the screen's still not working. The screen's still not coming on. So USB-A. This could be my, no, that should be fine, that cable. I'll grab another one just in case. I've got one that doesn't sync controllers, but that wouldn't stop charging. Here's a different one, USB-A. Okay. So whether it actually feeds, so I'm guessing it feeds the LCD, even though USB-A is not working. I'm not worried about that. Totally not worried about that, but anyway. Oh. Okay, so I get 23 volts into one side of that. Nothing, well, I'm not going to get any other side because it's not there, but the short should be gone between those two pins, here and here. No, it's not. Okay. Oh. Really? So there is an IC behind it, which I can't really fucking see. I want to drain, I don't even think draining the batteries is going to help, to be honest. So 23 volt comes into the single pin on the top here. I can put it back on, but this thing's lighting up like crazy. It's burning my thumb. And since removing it, I now get charge out of both USB-C ports. So top board, bottom board, top board, bottom board. I still get nothing out of USB-A, which I don't think is something to do with this because there's other little FETs and shit behind this. Brocky? Dude.
What?
It's a bit rude.
The doggy?
Yeah.
That's well.
Yeah, we don't, mate. Come on. If you're that frustrated, go out for a walk and get some fresh air, mate. Well, yeah, but you shouldn't be saying that to the dogs, mate. Well, it sounded serious from here. So, yeah, I don't know. Oh, Zozo's here. Oh, hang on, who's that? Hang on, who the fuck's playing silly buggers right now? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but it's someone playing silly cunts. I'm going to use the word cunts. Yeah, okay. Bye, Lisa. You can go and get fucked. Bye. Yeah, no, that's, unless they want to message me privately, that's not, yeah. Bye, Lisa. Yeah, so anyway, fuck. The problem is this is so compact, I can't see anything else going on with it. What if I switch? I don't even know what that switch does to the system. Like, should I just fucking wait? I've got that IC off at the moment. I'm going to flick the switch. Just see what it does. Just in case. So USB-C bottom board. Nothing. Yeah, okay. USB-C top board. Nothing. Okay. So that switch is obviously, I'll flick it back. USB-C top board. Oh, yeah. Bang on. So I don't know what that fucking switch does, but anyway. USB-C bottom board. Yep. But if I plug it in to go and charge it, because both the USB-Cs are in, apparently input and output. If I go and to charge it, it takes 15 volts and starts charging. Nothing's coming up on the screen. And without a schematic, I wouldn't even fucking know what that IC is doing. And it's probably feeding the LCD. I've got no idea. So, yeah. But the USB-A is still not working. Yeah, so without finding out the what's of that IC, got no goddamn idea. If that's caused, well, the LCD is not working, obviously. But both USB-C ports are working. So I'm at a guess. I'm guessing it feeds the LCD. Audio piss. I'll be back. Hang on. I need to pee. Yes. So anyway, the time I've got 40 minutes still. Yeah. I got a funny feeling it's something to do with the LCD, the little screen on it, because the screen's not working with or without it, kind of thing. So hit the power button, the screen would come on. So can I feed? You know what? Here'd be a good thing. I don't even know what I need to feed it. What would an LCD? If I feed, I don't even know which side to feed it. Maybe I should put it back on. See if I get voltage out. So I get 24 volt into one side of this thing, which is the side it's connected to. And it's glowing like a motherfucker. So let's put it back on and see. I'm guessing and leaning towards it feeds the LCD screen, because the LCD, it seems to be working and taking charge and charging devices, except for the USB-A, which I'm fine to go, mate. I've resoldered it. It's not working. Blah blah blah. But try the tester. What tester? Oh, no, you don't have to wire 3 wires to it and plug into the. No, I just put it back in position and see if it's putting out. So it's taken 24 volts into it on the top side here. So 24 volts is coming in here. It sits here, obviously, and it's glowing like a motherfucker. I've just moved it off position. So it's obviously going to be outputting voltage. One side possibly could be ground. If not, both sides should be voltage out. I don't know without the schematics. But it's 24 volts here. I put it back in line and it's going to glow again. But what the fuck is it? What does it do? There's an IC behind it here under the coil. No idea if it even interacts with it, but quite a possibility. And it's short. Oh, actually, hang on, while it's sitting there, let's see if it's still short between the two legs, because it shouldn't be short between these two. So on the, hang on, no, so on the board it's short here, and it's still short there-ish, almost. Need a schematic, unfortunately. And then between here and here is not short. Okay, so it's on the board. This thing's taken the juice. So these two pads are short. Whether they're actually, I don't know if they're fucking connected or not, because we didn't have schematics. Oh, so maybe I should inject maybe a volt into one of these. But the IC itself is not short between those two pins. On the board it is. Oh, fuck, you serious? I've blown something somewhere. That cap. Oh, that cap is... Oh. And that cap. So these two caps are pretty much short. I don't think it's this then. This is just taken the draw. Oh, really? Fuck. You serious? And I say on the other side. So everything seems to work except USB-A, which I don't know whether... Oh, so this pin's loose. I can't even... Yeah, actually I can't even see that pin connected. So okay, so I'll resolder this. That pin's not even fucking connected. I can see it. This one is, this one is. So USB-A, so everything will work except for the LCD. If I watch, USB-A will work now when I fix this. This glows. There's a short between these 2 points. And the LCD seems to have a fucking issue. So if I go ground... Where's ground? I need to find a ground. I just got a funny feeling. So you can say this fucker, all the LCD, most of them go into this I see here. And across to this fucker here. There's no short across there, or across there. Schematic would tell us straight away where to look, but we don't have one, so fudge. If it works, so I might get him to come pick his switch up tomorrow and go, mate, leave this with me. The LCD's not working, but I want to confirm that it's actually working. But between these 2 points here, they're not dead short, but they're short. Then if I go across this cap, it's not short that way. It's not short that way. If I go across these two caps, they're short, the same as the two pads, no matter which direction I do positive or negative. So these two pads are short, and these two caps are short, unless it's blown out of cap. And I say, without schematics, got no fucking idea where they go. And I've got no idea at this point in time which side of these caps are ground. So I should probably put this back on here, take these two caps off and see if the short dissipates. Got me? You can't see, but got me? Because I've popped something. On the thermal side of things, which is really weird, yeah. Yeah. Oh. I've still got half an hour. I'm gonna have to smoke. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Um. Oh, I need to take those two caps. I've got no idea where those caps go. Is what I don't know. Yeah. Right, I'm going for Dari. Yeah, I don't think it's that little thing, but oh, I don't know what that outputs. If I knew what it outputs, I could inject some body. I'm going to remove these two caps because these two caps are reading the same. No idea where they fucking go. You know what I mean? Like I got no fucking idea. Oh shit! Hang on. Oh, let's look at this again. So those. Oh fuck. Oh, well they. Oh, I got excited then. So these two caps, one of them comes through this rail here with all these wires, which comes to the other side of the board here. No idea where it goes, but there's no shorts. I was just thinking maybe there's a short on the fucking USB-A port there. There's this one IC behind here which we can't get to unless we take the fucking coil out and look. What I'm thinking is I should maybe inject a voltage into either. One of these must be ground, I'm thinking, and the other side short to ground. And these two caps here that come off it, well, next to it, no, we don't have schematic. I've got no idea where that schematic is. Come through here. There's an C50 and there's an A plus here. This pin's still loose. I haven't fucking soldered it yet, but the loose pin's not going to be giving me. I should be pulling this out, but they've hot snotted in. I don't want to. I'm going to have a smoke. I'll be back. Make a drink, have a smoke, I'll be back.
You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.
All right. Anyway, I'm gonna have a smoke. Take these two caps. So, oh, hang on. You know what I should do? Actually, before I go for a smoke, I want to do this pin, and then USB-A is still going to charge. I guarantee you. The only reason it's not charging is because this pin isn't connected. And then that IC has to have something to do with the LCD screen. Has to. There's hands down. There's no other reason for it to charge on every port and take charge and then not display anything. So I'm guessing that will be an LCD. I'm just blobbing that. I'm guessing that will be an LCD issue. All right, so let's just do this quickly. And I'm going to have a smoke. And then that IC is still sitting loose off where it needs to be, but if all charge ports work now and it still takes charge, which it will, then that thing's something to do with the. So what I wanted to do there is work out which pin. I don't know which one because I can't tell which one's ground or not because I'm sure one of them's ground. That which one should I inject a volt or two into to see if the LCD screen lights up? You know what I mean? That's what I'm getting at there. Because the LCD doesn't turn on. But now if I go back to that same... So the unit's obviously turning on, is what I'm saying though, because if I plug this into the bottom board USB-C, plug it into here, it's now not charged. Oh, it's now not... What? Turn this on. Oh, what the fudge? What do I just do then? I just haven't got it plugged in properly. What did I just do then? Nothing. Didn't I just... Nothing. I didn't fucking do anything, did I? Did I? What did I just do before plugging that back in together? Nothing, I thought. Alright, let's go top board USB-C. They were just working. Yeah, okay, so top board's working. So that's top USB-C port. That means this will probably work. But the bottom one was working before too. Bottom USB-C port. Plug it in. It's working. Okay. I just hadn't plugged it in properly or something. Now let's go to USB-A. So everything's pinpointing, if this works, everything's pinpointing. That's something to do with the LCD system. Alright. Plug USB-A in. Nothing still. I thought, oh, now I've got that one pin that wasn't connected. Fuck. So it's something to do with maybe both lines, USB-A and LCD, feeds both rails or something. Maybe, because both these USB-C ports seem to work. Oh, now it's not. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Oh, that was just fucking working. Serious? Go back to the... Oh, I reckon I was going to unplug it. Top port. Charging. Leave it. Top port. Charging. Fuck, what the fudge? Bottom port. Charging. What the fudge? USB-A. So USB-A is still not working. Okay. So USB-A is still not working and the LCD is not working. I'm gonna have a piss, smoke. I've still got 20 minutes. I need to plug this thing in and see what's going on. But I don't think draining it's going to help, to be honest. Press the power button. Let me hold the power button while it's plugged in on USB-A. Unless I still haven't connected that connection properly. USB-A. Oh, what I'll do, I'm going to get the smaller iron out. Alright, I'm going for a piss, smoke, and we'll... Unless I still didn't fucking solder that pin. I'll be back, going for a piss. I'll be back in 3.25 minutes. You watch me fly like a hawk, like the falcon that flies in the skies, denies he's here and lurks like a quirk. Just got to get my phone though. I've lost my phone somewhere. Where'd I put my phone? Oh shit, I've lost my phone. Really? Oh, there. Got it. Stop looking, I got it. Anyway, I honestly don't even think draining that all three sides of the batteries gonna help me. But I think so. USB-A is still not working, which I expected. If USB-C is working, I expected USB-A to work then, but it's not. Whether it has something to do with that. Oh, it is. So, oh yeah. Oh, it is. So I've got a bad connection. It just popped up. Charging. Yeah. Okay. So it's still a loose connection. So that whatever it is has to do with the LCD. By the looks of it, everything pinpoints that. Interesting. So USB-A is still not 100%. I just leant on it, like pushed on it, and it worked. So I'm just going to reflow these again. So it does work. So that, whatever it is there. So what I want to do, which I'd like to do, is inject, what's an LCD take? 3.3? Inject, it's saying it's short, so is the LCD fucked, is what I'm getting at. There's traces that come out these last three pins here. This way, and this way. This goes into that cap. From there, I don't know. But this goes, can't fucking see, into this one, I think. But this one has, oh, so actually, now we're talking about that. Let's go and see if that IC is short too. No, it's not. Okay, but these 2 points are short. Not knowing which one's ground. And then these two caps are short. You wouldn't expect it to blow a cap out of the water, but possibly. Cap near the LCD connector, look. You're not looking at the flux. Oh, you're looking at this one with the line on it? Yeah, that's just hot snot or something on it. Yeah, no, that's fine. But it's reading the same. So, I don't know which side's ground. So, if I go to this pin, it's reading the same-ish. This pin reading short. That could be ground, who knows. And this pin not short. So, this pin here is pretty much like this spot here. Yeah, fuck, okay. So it's not the IC, as far as I can tell. It's either this cap or one of these two caps, maybe, or something in between. Without schematics, we fucking no idea. But anyway, so what I should do is inject a volt into one of the, or both these two pads and see if anything else lights up, because this was what was copying it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes, I know, McKenna. Yes, I should isolate the caps. What I'm going to do is go 1 volt. Put that PS3 out tomorrow too. I don't know which fucking side's ground, or I need another probe. Actually, I get a. No, that's not. This is going to help me. Ah, fuck. I need another probe with a banana plug on it. Oh shit. Let me hang on. See if I can find a ground here somewhere. So battery. ground. Okay. Oh, both of these are ground. So these are ground by the looks of it. So let's just solder this to there. If I'm on the right track there. I'm going to go 1 volt and see if it pulls any fucking amps. So 1 volt. Into, I'm going to go both sides of this. Oh, yeah. Oh, hang on. 1 volt. Pulling 225 milliamps. Same on both sides. Okay. Fuck. I thought that might happen anyway. So customers, so this is his switch, and he bought that battery bank in too. All it had was a broken fucking USB-A port, and I accidentally bridged the fucking thermocouple points, sort of spark, and so it seems to work. It seems to take charge. It seems to charge everything on all the ports now, since removing this little fucking transistor or whatever it is. But nothing, the screen's not working. Like you could hit the power button and the screen would come on and just go, it's like 90% battery and stuff. And it's not doing that now. So something's been fried. We'll do this one in the morning, yeah. Oh, I'm happy to tell him, yeah mate, unfortunately, it went pear-shaped and blah blah. He brought it in to be fixed because it wasn't working to its potential, so I'm not too concerned about that. I'm more intrigued of what the fuck I've blown out of the water, but yeah. But it seems to work other than the LCD. So I don't know if this, without schematic, if we had schematics, we go, oh, that goes, so that is the fucking, but that was this little transistor or FET or whatever it is when I, let me just see if this draws anything. So that's drawing 225 milliamps, and that's drawing 2.3 amps. Holy shit, okay, so that side's short. Holy shit. Huh. Oh, how am I going to do this on the other side of the board? And then this side won't draw anything because that's 24 volts, yeah. So this side of it is drawing, this is going to solder a wire to it, might help me, but that side is, hang on. Solder a wire to it. So the left side is drawing the current. Which could be just ground, I don't know. So without schematics, I do no fucking idea what's going on here, but anyway. I'm stabbing in the dark kind of thing. Oh! Alright, so if I plug, give it some voltage. Boom, it's pulling 2 amps at 1 volt. Hey, look at it, that wire's lighting up like crazy. So nothing else is going to light up because the wire is. This is the thing with, so the wire is like, yeah baby, I'm there. That could, so that's probably ground. I must admit it's probably ground. That's why the lot wire would be lighting up. So the other side, because I'm just fucking, connecting point A to point A kind of thing. We'll go to the other side quickly. Which has a minimum, so it's not 0.0, it's 0.0.3 and whatever it's doing. It's not dead short. And that's pulling 212 milliamps. And the what? Oh. Oh no, it's the IC. Are you serious? It's this fucker here. No way, it's this fucker. Ah. Fudge. So I've blown that out. Whatever it does and whatever it is. Fudge. Just by crossing the thermal. So this IC here is fucked. Oh, there's a hole in the top. Yeah, there we go. There's a fucking hole in the top of it. Oh no! I'll tell the customer the whole sequence of events, and if he wants it fixed, it's not like it's a $600 battery bank. And go, mate. I tried. So this, yeah, it does. It's the LCD. Look, all those lines go. This is the LCD connector here. All these lines go into that IC. Ah, and there's a big pop mark on it. Oh boy. Look at that. A big fucking hole in it. Big black galaxy hole in it. Fudge, there you go. We just found it. Not much I can do about it right now, but yeah, we just found it. Fudge. That was my fault. I'll tell the customer, okay, mate, it's my fault. I was probing around doing this and that, and fucking something went poof. But it's charged, so it works. So what I'm getting at there, it actually works, other than the LCD. I can tell them that, okay, mate, I'm not going to charge anything. It still works. You won't know when it's going flat. But if you charge it every couple of days or whatever after you've used it, you'll... This isn't even labelled. Look at that. It's a blank chip. Oh my god. It's not even labelled. Oh, well, this is unfixable. Without a parts board. Totally unfixable. Okay, there you go. Done. We've just worked it out. I will let him know what's going on. Oh, wow. There you go. Problem solved. Not problem fixed. There's a difference. So that's knocked the LCD out. So I can put this thing back on quickly. Yeah, done. Cool. And that's an unlabeled IC. No, I can't do anything about it. And I'll touch up the WOTC again, and it charges everything, but it's fucked. Oh, hang on, that leg's sitting fucking proud. And that's all from, funnily enough, that's all from me bridging the thermocouple points. I say it's my fault, I'm not denying it. That's all from me bridging those thermocouple points on the board. That's crazy. Oh man, I got... But this IC, whatever it is popping the front of it in this big scanner thing, so it's all good. Alright. So this IC is fucked. There's a big black fucking void in it. And it's unlabeled, so there's no idea what the fuck it is. Hey Vic, how you going, buddy? Yeah, I've got no idea what it is, McKenna, that's the problem. There's no markings on it, so it's pretty much null and void, so... You know what I should do, which... which would take me days to drain it and then put it on charge and charge it and go, mate, this thing still works like clockwork, but you will get nothing on the screen because the LCD, whether it be the driver or the I don't fucking know. Anyway, it's fucked. It's absolutely fucked. I'm surprised that this thermocouple blew that out, to be honest. That's even more crazy. But it's... Oh, did I do the USB port? Because the USB port works if I fucking manipulate it. So one of these points must be still not contacting. Oh. But all 3 ports... Oh, only since I... Oh, hang on. Hang on. Let's just... Oh, that's... Hang on. That's what I was doing. My bad. Let me get a smaller one in there. Anyway, that was my fault. I really... Oh, don't understand why that blew out the LCD driver or whatever it is. I don't think it's in backlight mechanic. I think it's... I don't know. It's probably an all-in-one or something, but yeah. Oh, so you reckon when I sparked the 2 points here, but this is just VBAT, so this header here, which is this header here, is next to this, so I've got positive and negative, positive battery, negative battery, so I've got positive battery, negative, so these are just battery points, positive and negative, these 2 fucking headers. I bridged these 2 points cleaning it up and it went spark and the problem's been since then. So I don't think that's actually the issue. To be honest, it could be. I'm not denying it, but I don't think that's the issue. But all charging ports seem to work now, so yeah. I'll just tell it. I'm not going to charge anything for it. The 2 hours I've just fucked around with it. Took me 20 minutes to fix his switch and 2 hours to fuck around with this, but yeah. I'll just tell him. It was kind of useless to him in the first place anyway, because that's why he bought it. I want to use that port and it doesn't work. Blah, 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 blah. So... but what I really need to work out, so tomorrow morning I'll tell him his switch is ready for pickup. I'm still working with you, and when he comes picks the switch up or wants to wait, or if he wants to wait, then I'll go, mate, I've done this, this and this. This has happened. I'll fill him in, but yeah. So there's 3 charge ports, 2 USB-Cs and a USB-A, right? I hit the button, you'd normally see something on the screen. I don't, because that IC is blown out. If I plug into USB-A, hit the button, no. Oh, it was charging before. Fuck me. I thought it was just a loose connection. Where's that other cable gone? And if I do USB, that did work before when I manipulated it. So I go USB-C. Will and Woody. To bottom board USB-C. I might have to hit the power. Oh no, because I put the fucking there you go. No, so it's charging. USB-C bottom board. Turn it off. USB-C top board. Charging, which means the USB-A should work. So USB-A, top board, it worked before when I pushed and pulled on it. So it's not working now. Anyway, oh there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, I can feel the fucking... So that regulate this. Now it's charging. I can feel the heat coming off that regulator. That little one that I just put back on the board. And it's, so if I do this, it charges. So it's still got a loose connection. Anyway, that's null and void right now. So top board USB-C. Top board USB-C. Because I don't care about the USB-A. That's what he bought in for. Charges. Go to bottom USB-C. And charges, yeah. Alright, so it's definitely that, and hands down, no word of a lie. Can't do anything about it. That IC, whatever the fuck it is. Because we don't know what it is. There's nothing labelled on it. Anyway, so I will call him tomorrow morning and give him that news. And I obviously did that. Not, hands down, no lie, I obviously did that. Yeah. I'm going to make one more drink, have a piss, and plug this in, see what it's doing, and then I'm out. I'll do this in the morning. This isn't charging, not turned on, blah, blah, blah. All right, I'm having this drink. I'm going to plug this in. So tomorrow, so what I need to do with that PS3 was put in, write that NOR with the patched one I've got. Oh, actually, I should dump the NOR that's on it because it's got the red screen of death, remember? I should dump the NOR that's on it. Write that to the... Oh, that could still bring across the corrupted fucking VTRM fucking area or something. But, so I'd still get the red screen of death. Or just write the patch dump that I've got to it. Put it on and then reinstall firmware. And the red screen of death should go away. So yeah, anyway. Let's see what this is doing quickly, then I'm out after this drink. Oh shit, yes, where's the stick, Makina? Fuck. Yes, good. Well, I'm going to go through those same motions again tomorrow, but good call, just so I don't do it anytime soon. Where's my fucking... Yes, thank you, Makina. Oh, where the fuck's that gone? Oh, there it is. I just need to put a couple of dots in the name of it. Yes, because it's fucked me over many times, it has. It's fucked me over like crazy. So the LV2 diag... hang on. P3 USB disk. LV2 diag.self. I need to rename to... Thank you, McKenna. Although I would have been using it tomorrow, but anyway, I'm going to rename it, so I can't do that. ... Done. Thank you, McKenna. Appreciate it, mate. But I will be renaming that back tomorrow to what I need it to do, but anyway. So this thing's dead, apparently. I've tried to do a hard reset, doesn't do anything, so yeah. Alright, this is not going to boot off it, unless this screen's fucked, this isn't going to boot. Oh, no voltage at all, crazy. Oh, unless it's the port, let's flip it over. Boom. Yeah, she's totally toasted, so it's probably the M9 or the BQ. Toasted. Toast. No, it's not even taking any voltage, McKenna. It's like lifeless. It's toasted. The NAND would still, bad NAND would still let you put voltage into the fucker. Oh, the port feels really bad. Yep. I'm surprised he didn't ask about his fucking sticks on it. His fucking sticks are fucked anyway. Oh, yeah, no, maybe it's the port. There should only be two. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bad. Okay. Could be the port itself. We'll look in. I'll have a quick look under the microscope in a minute. But yeah. Seven bad lines then. Yeah, no, it's still the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it just changed fractionally. So I'm guessing the port's fucked. He said I've got 3 young kids fucking playing it. I said what are your symptoms leading up to it, kind of thing, you know? Like, he said, I've got 3 young kids. Oh, okay. Oh, support. On the right there. Bottom right. Cool.
I am here!
So you can see down here. Down there. This pin's bent like crazy. Cool, alright. That'll should be an easy fix tomorrow. On that note though, I'm going to finish this drink with this. And I'm fucking out. And so the PS3, so I'll do that tomorrow, and then the PS3, PS3 I need to sort out the NOR. Hey Shawnee, how you going, buddy? Good morning. I need to go cook my fucking dinner. I'm starving. After I finish this drink. Anyway, yeah, so PS3, Switch, that just needs a port by the looks of it. And I said to him, it depends on what's been damaged, whatever. Because the port could be fucked. It could have blown the M9 too, who knows. But yeah, until I get into it. Oh, that sucks about that power bank. I've got nothing but bad news to give to him. And, you know, what I need to do is, which you can't tell how much fucking charge is in it. You know what I mean? Like, it probably works 100% fine, but you can't see it on the screen. Yeah. Which you could see on the screen before I fucking zapped it. So, Before I zapped it, we had the screen working, so... I wonder if what I'm getting at is though, could I? Oh no, because that IC's got a hole in it. I was wondering if I could, because that when I put that little transistor or FET back on, I could feel it, like it was burning my finger towards the top edge of the board. So anyway, yeah.
My cloud! Right! Put it off!
Anyway, so anyway, the PS3 and Switch in the morning. I now know where I'm going with that. Battery bank for the customer. I'm just going to go mad. It works 100% fine other than the screen. I fucked it, but that's just how it goes sometimes. He bought it in the hope that he'd get fixed and probably at a cheap expense of cost. So, yeah. What do you do? See, Juggies. Yeah, what do you do? I can't do any more than I've done with it. I know sometimes things get fucked up from my... That's so funny, McKenna. So fucking funny. So fucking funny. Oh my god. What's the world coming to? Oh, this dude's got back to me. Oh, really? Oh, man. This one I've been very, very patient with because I don't want to upset anyone. I'm very, 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 very fucking patient with it. Anyway, it is 5:19 on a Monday afternoon, Monday evening, early evening. Thanks, Vic, for chiming in. Haven't seen you for a while, mate. I'm going to go. And I'm going to go. And if you're lucky, okay, let's do this every night. If you're fucking lucky, no, I'll be back tomorrow. I need to sort that PS3 red screen of death out. Oh, did it red screen? Oh, I don't want to plug it in. Did it red screen of death after doing what I did to it last? I can't remember. I think it did. I need to put that other the patch dump I have on it, another NOR chip, and install it on the board with the E3 flasher. But yeah. Hey Rusty, you still here, buddy? Thank you, mate. Oh. Once the lights go out, Rusty, they won't see it. But thanks, mate. Good eyes, mate. Thank you. I'm going to go do it for you, Rusty. I'm going to go do it for you. Thank you, Rusty. I appreciate it, mate. I'll be watching your stream tomorrow morning when I wake up at 4, 5, 6 a.m. I'll be looking at your stream. Or 3 a.m., whatever. In the middle of the night for a piss. But I will chime into your stream quickly and say hi, bye, fly by. You know, like, yeah. Anyway, look, I'm now open. Yes, anyway, yeah. Thanks, Russ. See you, Falcon. I've got to say goodbye to Falcon before I forget him. Yeah, no, final man, no. That really sucks about that power bank. That was my fault. I'll tell the customer. I've got no problem going, mate. I went through some motions, this and that. I crossed 2 points I shouldn't have, and I zapped it. But what I want to confirm is, so there's Falcon. I want to confirm that it still charges. I can see it physically charging on the ammeter, and I can physically see it charging devices out of the device. It's just the LCD's fucked, because that who knows what the fuck that LCD fucking driver IC regulator is. It's fucked. It's had a big black fucking hole in it, and that was due to me. That was due to me. Hardcore, but anyway. What are you doing? I'm not going to I don't even need to refund him. You know what I mean? Okay. See, final man, Falcon, Makina, Shawnee, Shaney, Rusty, all E's right now. Vicky, Marky, Sammy. Oh god, this is like poetry. McKinney. And that's all the E's. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll resume positions. Chili. Chili. Illogically. See, we'll just resume the E's. Thanks, Logical. Good times. Oh, really? What are you talking about? Please enlighten me. What's good times? Chili's just woke up. Well, he's been lurking for the last 2 hours, and then just to say bye. Finally, Machinery, Shawnee, Logically, Chili, Rusty, McKinney, Falcony, Spanky. Goodbye. Where is Spanky? She's been very quiet in the last few weeks. I know Spanky's going through some, I don't need to elaborate, but I think she's going through some health issues and stuff. So she's been a little bit down, but that's Spanky. And Spanky's fantastic, trust me. Spanky's a legend. Like all you guys and girls and in-betweens. Chili's, Makina's, Final Men, Shawnee's, Logicals, Falconies, Shaney's, and everyone in between the Spankies, is all legends. Hands down. I thank you for your support. And then everyone that donated today, like everyone that donated today, mate, God bless you. Because I'm not God blessing anyone, right? Because no fucking idiot. Oh, sorry. Oh, I said that. Lucy, I said that out loud. No one donated today. I said that out loud. End of story. I can't say anymore. I said it out loud. No, I'm just being, you know me. You guys should know me well enough. I'm just fucking being sarcastic or whatever. Anyway, I thank you all. Aggro like. Oh, do you know Aggro from Hey Hey It's Saturday, Makina? Really? What are you doing? What the fuck? What the fuck? Fucking hell. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Lucy's now humping, buddy. Lucy's like up on the back. Oh, fuck. Okay, righto. I'll have my microphone back, please. Anyway, I'm going. Thank you for the donos. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. And thank you for being here. Wish someone to say that to me one day. No one ever fucking does. But anyway, I'm going. See you fuckers.
Russi Russ Repairs donated $1 Australian.
Thank you, Russie. Thank you, Russie, mate. I think that was Makina though. If I go to Streamlabs, that was Makina. But anyway. And there's only one, so, oh fuck. I'm going to do the old, we're going again in a minute. The only person that ever donates $1 is who? Answer that question for me, out of the regular viewers. Who only ever donates $1? No, McKenna, I want answers, mate. You don't want to be called out. It's McKenna.
Keener.
All he
McKenna.
does is... Yes,
McKenna.
Falcon. Claps all around, mate. Claps all around. Falcon got it. Claps all around. But McKenna, I appreciate it, mate, because every dollar you donate over 365 days is about $10 Australian. I appreciate it, mate, and every dollar is a dollar, and I respect your shenanigans and your donations. Now, TK gets to scroll across the screen like Russie does. You know, those people that donate big buckaroonies get to scroll across the screen, mate. Unlike you, McKenna. Check the logs. Yeah, no. Bet you $5. Yeah, no, fuck. You say that every time, McKenna. The logs show the username you put in. It doesn't show who made it. The logs actually show the username you actually submit, because I've done it myself. You can submit any user fucking name. McKenna, do you think I'm that fucking dumb? Really? Now I need to ban McKenna. Ban McKenna. I was in a hurry. What were you in a hurry for, Russie? What happened? What have I missed? No, it doesn't, McKenna. I don't see your credit card. Yeah, well, it's the same number as the last dollar donation, mate, if that's the case. But anyway, I'm going. What a pear-shaped day. Oh, I definitely me bridging that thermocouple points, which is really fucking weird. The thermocouple points on the top board blew the fucking LCDRC. What do you do? What do you do? Fuck, I need to let the Jugs are still. See, Jugs are still here. Jugs, TK, Russie. I think that's one thing. Are the biggest. Oh, there's one more I can't think of. Usually the biggest donators. There's the guys like you guys, like McKenna and Sam and whoever the fuck ever get free monthly subscriptions and stuff. But there's donators that donate big bickies. I like bickies, by the way. I'm not disrespecting anyone, mate. I appreciate, like, fuck, I don't even know why I'm explaining this to you guys. I don't appreciate you any more than the person that gave me the $1 who gave me $100. Like, what do you want me to do? You made a donation. You showed your respect, and I go, oh, thank you. So, but there's no use getting in the conversation of, well, they donated, TK and Jugs donated $100 last week, and McKenna donated $1, and Alberto donated $2, and like, who gives a fuck? It's just respect, yeah. It is. It's just, I said it's just respect, not disrespect, by the way. I should, Russie. I only modded, no disrespect to Nano. I only modded him one day so he could do something, but yeah, I don't need Nano as a mod. Mate, I don't. Fuck, I've got enough mods as it is. I don't need Nano as a mod. And next time he's on stream, I'll probably, you've just enlightened me to that and going, hey Nano, mate, I only did it on that day 2-3 months ago for a reason. And I haven't demodded him since. But I don't need Nano as a mod. He's not here. I demod people that aren't here. I demodded Andrew, mate, who's been a 28 month subscriber of mine, membership. And I messaged him 12 months ago, hey Andrew, mate, I said, don't take this the wrong way, I'm just demodding you because I want my mods to be true and present. And no, I'm serious, Russ. You've kind of brought up a story where I'm talking about. And Andrew, I don't know whether he took it on. I don't think he did because he hasn't demodded me from his YouTube, and I don't want to be a mod on any. The only YouTube that I'm a mod on is Andrew's. I don't want to be a mod on anyone's. I really don't. I don't have time to fucking mod, mate. I get on people's streams, and hopefully Devil does in hour or two and I write them off and play silly bugs and be facetious and sarcastic and silly because that's my downtime. I stream 6 days a fucking week, man. I don't get the time to play silly bugs. So when I get on, I don't want to be a mod. I don't want to fucking mod anyone's stream. Trust me. I don't want to. My watching other people's streams is sitting there watching, sitting back laughing at the fuck that they don't know what they're fucking doing. Like Rusty Russ. See? Being facetious and sarcastic. But, I mean, I don't want to fucking mod anyone's stream. And I'm still surprised I'm a mod on Andro's. Because I demodded Andro 12 months ago. Because he was never here. He's never here. So if you're going to be a mod on a stream, then you need to be present. But that's not just against Andro. That's just in general. But anyway. I am going. I am going. Yeah, I know Andrew Alerts. That's why I demodded. And it's not why I demodded him. I want people to be active in the stream if you're going to be a mod. Whether it be on Twitch or YouTube. If you're not active in the stream, then who the fuck are you modding? Why would you be a mod? Because you're not active in the stream. I get, anyway, I messaged Andrew before I demodded him. And gave him the spiel.
See you later, fucker.
See you, fuckers. I'm going. Chicka chicka bow wow. See you, fuckers. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. And thank you for all the hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars and $1 donations.